I was a school kid. Yep. Not a natural leader. But you have to think to yourselves about every day when you look in the mirror, what sort of a leader do you want to be? Are you going to be a courageous leader? Are you a charismatic person? And we saw in the video young people propagating important plans. You can be a leader and not have to be the school captain as well. Many people show leadership in many different ways. So if you're not the school captain, if you're not the team captain, that doesn't still mean that you can't grow on to have a massive impact on others.